to become more human-like. Even today, many jobs have been taken over by machines. For example, people no longer sell survey tickets in the surveys. There are kiosks that can help people buy tickets by themselves. Simple jobs can be handled by robots today. Second, robots are smarter, efficient, and work faster. When more robots come to exist, employers will want to buy robots instead of hire people. They don't want to teach robots life they have to do with employees or worry about lazy workers. As a result, I think robots will replace human jobs because fast developing technology and because robots work better than human beings. Thank you for listening.